All right, so as you can see, we've changed the machine around to the ID grinding mode. We use the same wheel head motor here, and this pulley is back here on the wheel head motor and your spindle there. I forgot to mention earlier that we have a coarse and a fine on the manual infeed here, so right now I want to back this spindle up quite a bit so I can get it on line with the bore of the workhead. Okay, so this is running now the same way. I'll start up the spindle. No, I won't. Emergency stop. Now you notice that the spindle went back. You don't want that in ID grinding. So there's actually a certain mode here that this is supposed to be in when you go to ID. And it will automatically bring the wheel slide forward. And now it will no longer go back. It still controls the headstock. It can still start and stop your table. And it's still going to start the feed over here. But at the end of your cycle, there you go. At the end of the cycle, it will get down to 0. It will start to spark out. It will retract the amount of stock removal you took off on the handle here on your workpiece and retract that much, but it will not go all the way back, just in case for some reason this spindle is still inside the workpiece. So it'll stop. This will back up, but this will not go back as long as you have this in the proper setting for internal grinding. All right, so there you have it. That's the Kellenberger 1000U. Thank you very much.